Hello students, today I will be explaining a lesson from your book Beehive, that is chapter 9, The Bond of Love, written by Kenneth Anderson. This is going to be the second part of this lesson, and in the first part we read that the author got a baby bear by accident during his journey to Mysore, and he gifted that bear to his wife who named it Bruno, and very soon he got attached with everyone in his family, especially with his wife, and she looked after him like her own child. And one day accidentally he ate some poison and suffered from the stroke of paralysis. The author took him to a doctor, and after that, what happened? Let's read further and find it out. Out came his medical books, and a feverish reference to index began. What poison did you say, sir? Barium carbonate. Now the author has come to the doctor. The doctor takes out the medical books and he searches the index. Barium carbonate, BBA barium salts, barium carbonate, symptoms, paralysis, treatments, injections of. Now डॉक्टर क्या कर रहे हैं, जो उनकी मेडिकल बुक्स है उसमें वो अपने इंडेक्स में सर्च करते हैं बेरियम कार्बोनेट को, एंड देन आफ्टर ही फाइंड्स आउट द सिम्टम्स, दैट इज़ द सेम पैरालिसिस, एंड देन ही सर्चेस फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट, एंड द ट्रीटमेंट इज़ इंजेक्शंस ऑफ समथिंग. जस्ट अ मिनट सर, आई विल ब्रिंग माई सिरिंज एंड द मेडिसिन. और जब डॉक्टर सिम्टम्स और ट्रीटमेंट्स को फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं अपनी मेडिकल बुक से, देन ही गोज़ फॉर ब्रिंगिंग द सिरिंज एंड द मेडिसिन. A dashback took the car, Bruno still floundering about on his stumps. Dashback means a small run. The author makes a small run to the car where Bruno is, and he finds that Bruno is still floundering. Floundering means struggling to move on his stumps. Means Bruno is still not able to move, and but clearly weakening rapidly, and his condition is getting weaker and weaker. उसकी कंडीशन और ख़राब होती जा रही है, वो और वीक होता जा रहा है. देयर इज़ सम वोमिटिंग, हैवी ब्रीदिंग, एंड ही इज़ वोमिटिंग ऑल्सो. ही इज़ breathing so heavily with heaving flanks, means his side of the body, flank means side of the body. He is not able to heave properly, is not able to take breath properly, and gaping mouth. Gaping mouth means wide open. His mouth is widely open. Hold him, everybody. In goes the hypodermic. Bruno squeals. 10 cc of the antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. The doctor comes back with the medicine, and he instructs everyone to hold Bruno. In goes the hypodermic. Hypodermic means a long needle used to give an injection under the skin. So Bruno is given इंजेक्शन. ब्रूनो स्क्वील्स. स्क्वील्स मीन्स स्क्रीम्स. ब्रूनो चीखने लगता है दर्द से, स्क्रीम करने लगता है. 10 cc of the antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. cc refers to cubic centimeter, a measuring unit. 10 cc of the antidote or medicine enters his system, and not even a single drop is wasted. 10 minutes later, the condition unchanged. After 10 minutes, the condition of Bruno is still unchanged. 10 cc injection के बाद भी there is no any improvement in the condition of Bruno. Then after what happens? Another 10 cc injected. The doctor gives another injection. 10 minutes later, breathing less stertorous. After 10 minutes, what happens? There is less noise in his breathing. Stertorous means noisy breathing. Now he is able to breathe a little better, and there is less noise in his breathing. And now Bruno can move his arms and legs a little, although he cannot stand at. Now there is a little improvement in his condition. He is able to move his arms and legs, but still he is not able to stand properly on his legs. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feed, and after half an hour there is a improvement. There is a complete improvement in his condition, and now he gets up and he is able to get up. He is able to stand on his legs, and he has a great feed. Now he is able to eat also. वो खाने भी लगता है. Now he looks at us disdainfully. Disdainfully means disapprovingly, and now he looks at us disdainfully, as much as to say. Now जिस तरह से वो वहाँ खड़े लोगों को, ऑथर को, डॉक्टर को देखता है, उसके एक्सप्रेशन से ऐसा लगता है जैसे वो कहना चाह रहा हो, व्हाट्स बेरियम कार्बोनेट टू अ बिग ब्लैक बियर लाइक मी. एक मेरे जैसे एक बिग ब्लैक बियर को का जो ये बेरियम कार्बोनेट जैसा पॉइजन क्या बिगाड़ सकता है. हाउ इट कैन हार्म मी. ब्रूनो इज स्टिल ईटिंग. Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the sump of the stud baker and was keeping as a weapon against the inroads of termites. The author says that another time, next time, Bruno finds 1 gallon of old engine oil जो कि author ने sump of the stud baker. Sump means base of engine and stud baker is the name of an old American car. तो वो engine oil ऑथर ने अपनी पुरानी अमेरिकन कार के इंजन से निकाल के रखा हुआ था जो कि उन्होंने रखा था इन रोड्स ऑफ टर्माइट्स. इन रोड्स मीन्स एडवांस एंट्री एंड टर्माइट्स मीन्स दीमक. सो दीमक की एंट्री ना हो इसके लिए उन्होंने एज अ वेपन इंजन ऑयल को निकाल के रखा था एंड दैट इज़ फाउंड बाय ब्रूनो एंड ब्रूनो ड्रिंक्स दैट बट इट हैड नो इल इफेक्ट्स वट एवर. लेकिन इंजन ऑयल को पीने का ब्रूनो की सेहत पर कोई असर नहीं पड़ता है. इट डिडंट हार्म ब्रूनो एट ऑल. The months rolled on, and Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. He had equaled the Alsatians in height and had even outgrown them. Now, the author says that Bruno has grown bigger in size. When he came home, he was small in size, but now after some months he has grown bigger, and he has gone so big that he had equaled the Alsatians in height. उसने Alsatian dogs जो ऑथर के हैं उनके साइज़ के बराबर हो गया एंड इवन outgrown them. यहाँ तक कि उनसे भी बड़ा हो चुका है. बट was just as sweet, just as mischievous, just as playful, but still ही इज़ सो स्वीट. अभी भी वो उतना ही स्वीट है, उतना ही मिस्चीवियस शरारती है. एंड ही वॉज़ वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ अस ऑल. और घर में जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं उन सबको बहुत प्यार करता है, बहुत उनका शौकीन है. एंड अबव ऑल ही लव्ड माई वाइफ एंड शी लव्ड हिम टू. एंड सबसे ज़्यादा वो ऑथर्स की वाइफ को प्यार करता है एंड हिज वाइफ ऑल्सो लव्स ब्रूनो सो मच. शी हैड चेंज्ड हिज नेम ब्रूनो टू बाबा. नाउ शी हैज़ चेंज्ड हिज नेम. शी हैज़ गिवन अ न्यू नेम टू ब्रूनो दैट इज़ बाबा. अ हिंदुस्तानी वर्ड सिग्निफाइंग स्मॉल बॉय. हिंदुस्तानी लैंग्वेज में बाबा हम छोटे बच्चे को कहते हैं. So a new name is given to Bruno by author's wife. And he could do a few tricks. Now he is able to do some tricks also. वो कुछ tricks भी कर लेता है, कुछ शरारतें करता है. At the command Baba wrestle और Baba box, he vigorously tackled anyone who came forward for a rough and tumble. सो नाउ बाबा कुछ कारनामे भी कर लेते हैं. एंड व्हेन ही इज़ गिवन कमांड बाबा रेसल और बाबा बॉक्स, सो ही विगरसली मीन्स एनर्जेटिकली, बहुत ही एनर्जी के साथ वो जो भी उसके सामने आता है उसको मुक्के वक्के मार के गिरा देता है. एंड गिव हिम अ स्टिक एंड से बाबा होल्ड गन. एंड व्हेन ही इज़ गिवन अ स्टिक एंड ही इज़ आस्क्ड, ही सेड दैट बाबा होल्ड गन, देन ही टेक्स द स्टिक एंड ही पॉइंट्स दैट स्टिक एट यू जस्ट लाइक अ सोल्जर. Ask him, Baba, where is baby? And he immediately produced and cradled affectionately a stump of wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bed. Concealed means hidden and cradled means जैसे छोटे बच्चों को हम गोद में लेके हाथ में लेके झूला झुलाते हैं, that is the meaning of cradle. So whenever Baba is asked, Baba, where is baby? So what he does, he brings a stump of wood, एक छोटा सा लकड़ी का टुकड़ा लेके आता है एंड जिसको उसने अपने स्ट्रॉ बेड में कंसील करके रखा होता है, छुपा के रखा होता है. ही ब्रिंग्स दैट एंड ही स्टार्ट्स क्रैडलिंग दैट जस्ट लाइक अ बेबी, वेरी लविंगली. बहुत प्यार से उसको हाथ में लेके झुलाने लगता है. But because of the teenage children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be kept chained most of the time. But there are some children of the teenagers at the author's house. So Baba is still so sweet and he is mischievous, but he doesn't harm anyone. But because of those children, those teenage children, Baba is kept chained. उसको चेन में बांध के रखना पड़ता है क्योंकि Baba has grown bigger now and it is considered that he may harm the children. So that's why he is kept chained most of the time. Then my son and I advised my wife, and friends advised her too, to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. And then what happens? The author's son, author himself, and author's friends also, they give advice to author's wife that Baba has grown bigger now. It is not safe to keep him at home, so it should be sent to the zoo at Mysore. he was getting too big to keep at home. And why he sent to the zoo? बिकॉज पीपल थिंक दैट ही इज़ टू बिग टू कीप एट होम, वो काफ़ी बड़ा हो चुका है और उसे घर पे रखना सेफ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ही इज़ नाइस, दैट्स ओके, बट he may harm someone. Steadily, and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the zoo hastily. सो जल्दी जल्दी क्या होता है, इससे पहले कि वो अपना मन बदल दें, a letter was written to the curator, to the in charge of the zoo. Did he want a tame bear for his collection? And he is asked that कि आप अपनी कलेक्शन के लिए एक टेम बियर चाहते हैं, एक पालतू बियर उनको चाहिए. सो व्हाट ही रिप्लाइड येस, एंड द जू सेंट अ केज फ्रॉम मैसूर इन अ लॉरी, एंड देन a cage is sent from the zoo to Mysore in a lorry, in a vehicle, and a distance of 87 miles, and Baba was packed off. And जो ऑथर का घर होता है वहाँ से ज़ू के बीच की दूरी होती है 87 माइल्स, एंड फाइनली बाबा वॉज पैक्ड एंड सेंट टू द ज़ू. लेट्स रीड फर्दर. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense we were relieved. We refers to the author and his son. Him refers to the bear Bruno. So the author says that we all miss him greatly. The author and his son miss the bear Bruno so much, but in a sense they were relieved. Relieved means relaxed. They are relaxed to think that Baba is at a safe place. He is where he should be. वो वहीं पे है जहाँ उसे होना चाहिए, और वो एक काफ़ी सेफ प्लेस पे है. सो दैट्स वाई दे आर रिलैक्सड. बट माई वाइफ वॉज इनकॉन्सोलेबल. लेकिन जो उनकी वाइफ हैं, ही शी इज़ नॉट हैप्पी. शी इज़ सो मच वरीड अबाउट ब्रूनो. शी वेप्ट एंड फ्रेटेड. शी weeps, she cries, and she fretted, and she is worried about Bruno. For the first few days she wouldn't eat a thing, and for the first few days कुछ दिनों तक तो खाना भी नहीं खाती हैं. She misses Bruno so much. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator, and after some days she writes some letters to the curator, also to the in charge of the zoo, and she asks about Baba. How was Baba? Back came the replies, well, but fretting, he refuses food too. So the replies also come from the curator. He writes that Bruno is well, but he is also fretting, he is also worried and unhappy, he is also sad, and he doesn't take food also. After that, friends visiting Mysore were begged to make a point of going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was getting along. After coming to know all this, the author's wife gets worried, and the friends of the author, they are requested to go to the zoo and see how Baba is there. They reported that he was well but looked very thin and sad. And when they come back from the zoo, they tell the author that Baba is good, Baba is fine, but he is looking so thin and sad. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting, and whoever the keepers were there, जो वहाँ पे उनकी देखभाल करने के लिए लोग थे, they tell the friends of the author that he is fretting, he is sad, he is missing the family of the author. For 3 months, I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. Restrain means to stop, मना करना, रोकना. तो कुछ महीनों तक, 3 महीनों तक तो जो ऑथर होते हैं अपनी वाइफ को मैसूर जाने से, ज़ू जाने से रोक लेते हैं. बट देन शी सेड वन डे क्या होता है, एक दिन उनकी वाइफ जो है उनको धमकी देने लगती हैं दैट आई मस्ट सी बाबा, मुझे बाबा से मिलना है. ईदर यू टेक मी बाई कार और आई विल गो माई सेल्फ बाई बस और ट्रेन. तो या तो आप मुझे बाई कार लेके चलिए, या नहीं तो मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं खुद ही बाई बस या ट्रेन पकड़ के बाबा से मिलने चली जाऊँगी. सो फाइनली द ऑथर टुक हर बाई कार. सो फाइनली जो ऑथर होते हैं उनको अपनी वाइफ को कार से बाबा से मिलने के लिए उनको लेके जाते हैं. फ्रेंड्स हैड conjectured that the bear would not recognize her. Conjectured means formed an opinion by guessing. So when the author's wife was going to meet Baba, so the author's friend, they form an opinion, वो सोच लेते हैं that bear will not be able to recognize her. बाबा उनको पहचानेगा नहीं. I had thought so टू. एंड द ऑथर सेज दैट आई माई सेल्फ थिंक सो. वो भी ऐसा ही सोचते थे कि दैट बियर विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज एनी वन. But while she was at some yards from his cage, Baba saw her and recognized her. But what happens there? जैसे ही वहाँ पे ऑथर की वाइफ पहुँचती हैं और वो कुछ दूरी पे ही होती हैं उनकी केज से, बाबा के केज से, बाबा सीज हर एंड रिकग्नाइजेस हर। बाबा उनको देख भी लेते हैं और उनको पहचान भी लेते हैं। He howled with happiness and he gets so much happy and he howls, he cries, he makes noise with happiness. She ran up to him. She also runs towards the bear. बाबा ही पेटेड हिम थ्रू द बार्स, और जो केज की बार होती है, छड़ होती है, उसके थ्रू वो क्या करती हैं, ही शी पेट्स, शी touches the bear very lovingly and he stood on his head in delight। और bear इतना खुश हो जाता है, he is so happy to see the author's wife कि वो अपने सर के बल खड़ा हो जाता है। he is so happy to see the author's wife। For the next 3 hours she would not leave that cage and for the next 3 hours अगले 3 घंटों तक she doesn't leave the cage, वहाँ से हिलती भी नहीं है, वो केज को छोड़ के कहीं नहीं जाती हैं। She gave him tea, lemonade, cakes, ice cream and what not। She gives all the things, all the food stuff to the bear, whatever he likes to eat। and then closing time came and we had to leave। और तब तक closing time हो जाता है, वहाँ से जाने का टाइम हो जाता है and everybody has to leave from there। My wife cried bitterly, Baba cried bitterly, even the hardened curator and the keepers felt depressed। और जब जाने का टाइम हो जाता है, the author's wife gets so much sad that she starts crying very bitterly, very badly, and to see her, Baba also cries bitterly। and दोनों को रोता हुआ देखकर, दोनों के अफेक्शन को देखकर, वहाँ के जो क्यूरेटर होते हैं एंड कीपर्स जो होते हैं, they also feel so sad। As for me, I had reconciled myself to what I knew was going to happen next। और अगर ऑथर अपनी बात करें तो वो समझ जाते हैं कि what is going to happen next, आगे क्या होने जा रहा है, and what is going to happen next, that we will discuss in the next video।